Hello fellas, as you can see we have the Makita circle, so it's DSS501, and I'm not planning to make a video with this tool, but I have changed the brushes and the brush holder unit for this one, and then of course I have tried to test it and it's not working, so it's a good chance to make a video. Okay, I will try to measure the voltage on the carbon brushes. So removing the caps. And now I will check the voltage here when the button is pressed. I will just press the multimeter with my fingers, and okay, no battery. And making sure that I'm pressing it to the brushes. Okay, it's no current here, so I will try to remove carbon brushes and measure it again, because sometimes it's a motor or the switch fault and the voltage is not going through the brushes to the motor. Okay, trying again, and we have 20 volts, and now we can suspect that it can be the switch or the motor. We don't know until now, and I will just try to reinsert the brushes. Maybe I have not inserted them correctly, they have stuck or something, but I can feel that they are moving easily. Okay, I will hold the brush with my finger and try to turn it on. No, it's not working. And of course I have the replacement armature for this one. I'll try to insert it. This one is with the one screw missing. It's not a big problem for us now. It will be a bigger problem when I will try to run it. To grab it. Can I take it out like that? So I will unscrew the housing. And as you can see, here's our armature. I'm lifting the field and the brush holder unit a little bit. Of course, this armature have seen some heat, but it not seems to be burned out or something. And of course, the new armature looks really different, the copper, but not so much different. So I will try to change the rubber for ball bearing and put the armature back. And the field is strong, the magnet is working. Okay, now we need to align the brush holder and the field in the places. And okay, it seems good. I'm just inserting the motor housing and motor back. I'll try to spin the gear with my finger. I will put the screw here back. Okay, when I will test it, I will press it down because I need to search for the screws for this one. It was with missing screws. Okay, now the brushes are in place and I can insert the battery and of course try to test the tool, pressing the housing, and it's still not working, so we need to figure out where our problem is, and now where the interesting part starts in. I will open the handle. Now we know that we have the new brushes, new carbon brush holder, we have the new armature, and now we need to inspect the problem. Okay, opening the handle. And what can we see now? We can see the positive wires, and they go to the switch. And of course we have the micro switch which need to be checked. I think it's the sound is good for it, the light comes on, so it will be good. Basically what I want to check is the current here on the battery terminal. It's a DC, and I believe that I have a 20 volts here. Yep, 20.12, and okay, that's good. And now I have the controller. Here, and the wires are pressed really hard here. Okay, this black goes here, and almost not dropped the water. Okay, and this goes here. So basically I will have the current on the white one and the black one. If the controller unit is working. Yeah, we have 20.2. Okay, and now I have the red one. Here is nothing. Have 20.2, and so I think when the switch is pressed, I must have that 20 volts on this wires, the switch contact. And we can see that I have nothing. Yep. Okay, so I will try to remove the brushes now. Because as you remember, when I removed the brushes, it was the voltage on the brush holder. Now we will check if we have the voltage here, but we know that the controller is good, or we can suspect that it's good because we have the voltage on the switch. And okay, if I'm right that the switch is faulty, I will have the current on it now. Yep, it's at 1 volt, and when it gets low, it's just cut offs. So what first we can do, of course we can try the other switch if I have it, or I think I can connect the red wires with the white wires and it will be good. Okay, I will check the current on the switch, but it will be the continuity, sorry, not a current. No, and this must be, yep. So the switch connects the red one with the white ones, and it's strange that I have the continuity here, because it means that I'm getting the short circuit. Yep, it's here, and okay, why I'm getting the short circuit here? I will release the wires, and okay, the black one was on the left, the red one on the right. Okay, now I will measure the continuity. Okay, no continuity, and nothing here. Strange. Measuring on the switch itself. Yeah, I have something on the switch itself. So that's not a good sign for the switch, and it can be that our switch needs to be replaced. I will just put the cables here. Okay, and I will disconnect the switch. Of course, it's full of dust and so on, so on. And now checking the switch. If everything is good, the switch must have no continuity. Okay, it's a continuity here. So, and if we have the continuity here and we press the button, we can get a short, the positive and the negative terminals. Of course, now it shows nothing, but it shows the short here. Okay, strange. Okay, I will try to blow it with a compressed air a little bit and clean it and check what it shows again. Ah, okay, I see the schematics. It's a 2 with a 1, and when I press the 2 closes with a 3, so it's good. 2 with a 1 and 1 with a 3. Okay, so the switch shows good continuity. It can be the controller fault. And of course it's all the wool dusts here. So I can try to measure the voltage on a white and here I think. Okay, this one goes for the discharging. This goes to the switch. Yeah. Okay, after checking everything and testing and thinking, of course, I have decided to change the controller unit. I have the spare one, used one, so I will have replaced it. Now I will try to run the tool. Okay, the tool is running, so that means the fault was in a controller unit, this part, and it's glued with epoxy, so I will not assemble it, I think. And yep, I just replaced it with a spare one and it's working, and that's it. All is left just to close the cover and get the tool back to work.